What is the C language? C is a general purpose programming language, simple and flexible. It's a programming language which is used in various applications. C was the basic to write everything from operating system like Windows to complex programs like Oracle database, Git, and more. But you should ask yourself, why should I learn C language while I can learn Java or Python? Well, it's a fair question, but there's a lot of reason to learn C language or to start learning programming with C language. First one, C is a middle level language, which means it's over it's over than the low level language, which are language not human readable like assembly and machine language, and under the high level language such Java and C Sharp and Python. Second reason, it's help to understand fundamentals of computer theories. Theories related to computer like computer networks, operating systems are based on C and require a good knowledge of C if you are working on them. Third one, fewer libraries. C programming language has a fewer libraries comparing to other high level language such as Java. But what does library word means? Well, a library is a collection of related pieces of code that have been compiled and stored together in a single file. That file can be linked with your code to give you access to the code in the library. So you can use the code from library direct after you call the library. So that means you have to implement a lot of features by yourself. So when you do that and you get an error, you know your problem and you will think how to solve it. Last one, C is very fast in terms of execution times. That was the reason to learn C language. So enough talking and let us start download the programs that we need. Before we are go to next step, I want to tell you that the computer doesn't know C or C sharp or C++. I mean, it doesn't understand it. It doesn't understand C or C sharp or Java or any other programming language. You know it. For example, when you write your code for computer, it will not understand it. We are human and we understand human language, but computer is a machine and understand just machine language. So if I want to speak with a computer, I should speak his language or translate my human language to machine language, and the program who does that is compiler, which take my code and translate it for machine language to help the computer to understand what I want. But don't be afraid, we don't have to learn machine language or doing compiler job. We will accept the help which comes from another program, which is IDE program, which IDE indicated to integrated development environment. It does the whole work for us, but we just have to write the code. So the IDE we will use in this course is NetBeans, and the compiler I'm going to use it through this course is CUI-GWin. So in the next lesson we are going to download everything we need and set the environment to start working in C. I will see you in next lesson.